Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and this week I'm volunteering at the Dallas Shoebox Processing Center for Operation Christmas Child. I'm about to go in and start my shift, change my shirt and everything, but before I do, I've got a couple of shoe boxes I'm gonna drop off, and I've got some filler items that I'm gonna drop off as well. Come along, I'll show you where it's at. So after you leave the parking lot, the first door you come to is going to be where you drop off any shoe boxes you still have or any filler items. Right past the door where you drop off your shoe boxes or your filler is the entrance for volunteers. I'm actually going in the employee door because I'm a team leader and I've been here for a couple of days, and I'll be here the whole week of Thanksgiving. So if you're in the Dallas area and you want to come process shoe boxes, sign up online and then come see me. And if you come and process shoe boxes while I'm here, I've got second shift, so I'll be in the afternoon and evening, then, you know, come say hi. I'll be one of the ones wearing a yellow t-shirt. It is way too loud in here for me to actually talk to y'all, so I'm doing a voiceover. So this is like you're coming in the volunteer door, and then you sign up at this little table, and then you come over here, and these people are going to place you at a station that you're going to work at while you are serving as a volunteer in the processing center. To my left is a bunch of t-shirts, and you will get a t-shirt when you leave as a gift for helping out and working at the processing center. So as you walk into your spot, over here on this left is a little break area where they have Chick-fil-A at meal times, and they've got bathrooms and just some picnic tables to sit down, and that giant Christmas tree is a great place to take pictures. Now I am walking here in between the two lines where we process shoe boxes, and here is the filler station where they get extra filler ready, and we have the shoebox hospital so that if there are shoe boxes that are damaged, they can get fixed. We've got another shoebox hospital and filler station. This is my table. I am working table 21 today, and as we keep coming down here, we've got gaillards of items that we can put in the little bins for fillers, and then we have the cartons. So the two that are in the middle are actually the shoe boxes that are coming in to be processed, and the ones on the outside walls are the ones heading out in the shipping containers. And today we were sending boxes to Mexico and to Madagascar. It is so much fun. It is so exciting. It is so loud. We also have the inappropriate items table. So if there are things in shoe boxes that cannot be sent, like liquids or scary or money, those go in an inappropriate bin, and then they will sort through those as well. Here's a little better look at the filler, and just such a fun and exciting place to volunteer. I highly recommend it. If you're anywhere near one of the 9 processing centers across the country, here are some of the staff and management. And here is a roller that takes the boxes to the shipping containers to send them out. This area is where they are preparing all of the fillers to help out with shoe boxes that are just a little empty or that have inappropriate items and need some extras. There's a big screen where we can watch videos, and there's a stage where sometimes we will have one of the leaders stop and pray over our shoe boxes. And here's my line again, line 21. I've got the best volunteers. It is hard to describe the atmosphere here at the Operation Christmas Child Shoebox Processing Center. It is loud, it is busy, it is fun. We're having a great time. I'm on my break. It's almost 9 o'clock. We have about another hour to process shoe boxes. Our shoe boxes today are going to Madagascar, and let me tell you, the people on my line, they are moving it. We're having so much fun. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you so much. Toodles!